The Roomba i7 robot vacuum unleashes powerful cleaning when, where, and how you want with a single command to your Google Assistant or Alexa voice assistant. When messes happen, just say, "Tell Roomba to clean under the kitchen table." Smart navigation maps specific objects in your home, guiding it to the mess right when the mess happens, with 10x the suction and automatic, personalized schedules. Even recommendations during pollen and pet shedding seasons. It's vacuuming that fits seamlessly into your life. Compared to the Roomba 600 series cleaning system, Alexa and all related logos are trademarks of Amazon.com or its affiliates. Google is a trademark of Google LLC. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful performance. 10x the power lifting suction and dual multi-surface rubber brushes that pull in dirt, debris, and pet hair from wherever it hides. Number 2. Guided by Sirius Smarts. Intelligently maps and cleans an entire level of your home with vSLAM navigation. i7 maps your home to navigate in neat, efficient rows. Number 3. New app. New level of clean. From customizable routines to customizable maps. Complete control is in your hands. Personalized cleaning suggestions help you stay ahead of messes. Number 4. Vacuums messes at the moment. Cereal on the floor. Cat knock over a potted plant. The i7 can target specific areas within your rooms, like in front of the couch or under a table. Number 5. A clean unique to you. Learns from your cleaning habits to offer up customized schedules. Suggests extra cleanings when the pollen count is high or during pet shedding season. Number 6. Complete control of your clean with Imprint Smart Mapping. Your robot knows your kitchen from your living room, so you can decide where it cleans and when. Number 7. Steer clear of objects. You can tell your robot to stay away from certain areas or objects with customizable keep-out zones. Number 8. Ideal for homes with pets. Unique dual multi-surface rubber brushes don't get tangled with pet hair. High-efficiency filter traps 99% of cat and dog dander allergens. Number 9. The dream team of clean with Imprint Link Technology. The Roomba i7 robot vacuum and Brava Jet M6 robot mop team up to vacuum then mop automatically in perfect sequence. Number 10. Clean without lifting a finger. Through the iRobot Home app or your Google or Alexa voice assistant, simply tell your robot when and where you want it to clean, and consider it done. Number 11. Always getting smarter. Equipped with advanced hardware capable of providing the intelligent features you love today, and access to our latest advancements in the future. Number 12. iRobot does not certify the quality or authenticity of products purchased from non-authorized resellers, and will not cover claims, provide service, or offer replacements for products purchased from these sellers. Number 13. Cliff Detect Sensors. Cliff Detect sensors prevent the robot from falling downstairs or tumbling over drop-offs. Number 14. Edge Sweeping Brush. Specially designed at a 27-degree angle to sweep debris away from edges and corners. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.